So I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what you should buy from Lush with £20. Now I know what you're thinking, Melody, you've done this video before, like think of something original. But instead of doing the original idea, I thought I would do this version, a Christmas edition, because Christmas is, I believe, about a week away now, which is insane. Like, we are a week away from Christmas and I'm so excited. So I thought I'd share with you the things that you guys should buy from Lush with £20 from the Christmas range. Obviously you guys know that Lush do usually have a sale on Boxing Day, so maybe this could be a £10 spend. Who knows? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Carry on watching and I'm going to jump right in. I've tried to make this cater for bath and shower, so I have put a little bit of each in there. I hope that's okay. So yes, let's go. So the first item I think you guys should go for is the I Want Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb. Not only is this bath bomb £2.95, which is so affordable, I love this bath bomb so much. It smells like Space Girl, which is one of my ultimate faves that's got discontinued from years and years ago. It smells amazing. It smells like Parma Violet sweets and like Love Heart sweets like mixed together. I love it so much, but also it's just really sweet. Like, look at it. It's just so cute, isn't it? I love it. The next item I think you guys should buy is the Snow Fairy shower gel. This shower gel is £5, which is so affordable compared to the other shower gels, but smells like bubblegum, and I feel like Snow Fairy is one of those items that you guys just have to try once in a while because it's a classic, it's a staple, and I actually don't have any Snow Fairy in my collection at the moment, which is traumatic, and I feel like I need to get some more. But yeah, Snow Fairy basically is a glittery pink bubblegum shower gel. So if you like bubblegum, you like pink, you like glitter, and you like sweets, it's a good one to go for, 100%. The next item I think you should go for is the Snowman Dreaming Bath Bomb. This is £3.50, and yes, it does look semi-boring. However, inside it actually has a rainbow of colour, so you put it in the water and it looks like a beautiful rainbow in the water. It's so underestimating. Like, is that the right word? What's the word? Underestimating? No. That's not the right word, is it? What's the word? I can't think of what the word is, but it was a really big surprise because I thought it was going to be boring. It wasn't boring. It was definitely super lovely in the bath, so 10 out of 10. Love that. The next item I think you should get is the Polar Bear soap, which is £5, and it's a really beautiful, creamy, kind of minty, creamy scent. It's so good. I need to get one because I don't actually have one and I really want one, so I might have to try and get one ASAP because it just smells amazing and it also looks adorable. Like, why would you not want a little polar bear on your bathroom sink, you know? Definitely really cute. Would be a really cute idea for like a guest bathroom if you have one, especially around this like festive time of year. I love it, and I think a soap is a really nice item to go for because they last for ages, so yeah, love that. And the last item is the Candy Cane Bubble Bar. This is reusable and it just looks like absolute festiveness. Like, I think it's kind of the ultimate festive bubble bar in my opinion. They used to have one called the Magic of Christmas, which was a really beautiful orange star and had like a cinnamon stick on the end, but they didn't make that one anymore, so I think this is like the most festive bubble bar they've come out with this year, and I think it's definitely a must-have in your bathroom, especially if you love Christmas and you love bubbles. It's a really good bubble bar. Like, I can't praise it enough. You guys need to try it and you can thank me later. So that is everything I think you should buy from the Lush Christmas range with £20. Obviously this video isn't very long because you can't really buy a lot from Lush for £20. This is actually 5 items, which I think is quite good, and it came to a total of £20 and 40 pence. So I think I did quite well there on that one, and I just think it's a really beautiful selection of products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys are enjoying the 12 days of LUSHMAS because I'm very much enjoying it, and I hope you guys are too. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.